In the last two videos, we looked at loading and recording impulse response files into Convolver. In the next couple of videos, we'll take a look at the various tools that can be used to edit your impulse response files. Most of the editing tools can be accessed from the icons along the top of the impulse response editor window. The format icon and menu is where you can access some of the basic properties such as the file properties dialog that we looked at in previous videos. To recap, from here we can enter certain information that pertains to this particular impulse response. The other two options in the Edit menu control the bit depth and the number of channels used by the impulse response file. The Edit menu is where you can find some of the most commonly used tools when editing a file such as an impulse response. From the Edit icon menu, you have one-level undo and redo options to undo the last action, or to redo the last action. The undo history will allow you to move back further than one step to undo an action that was made. Remember that we also have a quick access to the last undo step by clicking on the undo icon. The remaining options in the Edit menu are pretty straightforward. The Cut option will cut either the entire audio file from the Edit window, or cut any currently selected portion of the audio. Copy will copy the entire audio file or the currently selected portion of the audio to your computer's clipboard. The Paste Insert option will paste the audio that was cut or copied to clipboard to the start of the currently selected portion of the audio file. The Paste Replace option will paste the contents of the clipboard to the start of the currently selected portion of the audio file and replaces the audio that it overwrites as opposed to inserting between. The Paste Mix option will paste the audio to the start of the currently selected portion and mix it with the audio of the section that it overwrites, as opposed to replacing it. The Paste Stretch option will paste the contents of the clipboard. However, unlike the previous paste options, this option will stretch the contents to make it the length of the current selection. After selecting the option from the Edit menu, a dialog will appear to allow you to tweak how the audio should be stretched. Once you have it sounding the way you like, click the Accept button. The Clear option will clear all the currently selected portion of the audio, replacing it with silence. Trim will cut all the audio outside of the current selection, leaving only the portion of the audio from the selection. Delete will cut and remove all of the currently selected portion of the audio. Insert Silence works much like the Clear option does. It will replace all of the currently selected portion of the audio with silence. So in this video, we took a look at some of the basic impulse response editing tools. In the next video, we'll continue our look at the other editing tools that can be used to tweak your impulse responses.